Alright guys, welcome to my new tutorial. Today I'm gonna go over creating tool scripts. They're very useful, so I'm gonna create one for both 2D and 3D. So first I'm gonna show you to the 2D. For this example, I'm gonna show you how to generate a tile map from using a tile. So I have this here. Let me open it up. It's from Kenny's asset. I don't make much 2D stuff, so I just got one of his tile set to use. So the way this works is I created a tool script that generates the entire tile set. So first you click here. I already have the tools attached. Now I know the size is 18 for each tile. It doesn't have any margin, but I included that just in case. And then we need to set the image. There you go. And then all I have to do now is press generate. And you see we have this whole set, the static body and the collision shape, and all you have to do now is go here, convert to tile set, save it as tile set, and then that should be it. You can now create a 2D scene, add a tile map, and hook up the tile set, and there we go. We set it to the cell size 18, and then you can do what you want with it. So plus I have a 3D version of this for grid maps. There you go. I have a grid map here with a whole bunch of tiles. Instead of going here, hitting this here, and then hitting, which one was it? Hitting create static mesh, try my static body. I could go through and do it for everyone. I could do that, or just delete those. Okay, so instead I could attach my closet mesh generator, and I just hit generate meshes, and it does everything. And then you could go ahead and convert to mesh library. Alright, then create a new 3D scene, grid map, and I could attach that there. Mesh lib. I think these were all 2x2. So let's go. Actually, it's 4x4x4. Alright, so we're gonna go over each of these. Let's start with 2D. Okay, now first we create something called the tile map generator. Save for these. Okay, so the way you make a tool script now is you go here, tool. That's the end of the tutorial. Have a great day. I'm joking. Alright, so first we get the tile size, create a tile size, export it, set the margin, X and Y. Then we export a boolean and name it generate tile map, set it to be false. Then you need to use this get set method, and then you need to create this function. So let's copy that function, say func. Let's place it right there, and you need to add a return, a value. You don't have to be anything, just play gen. It's not used. I don't know why they it needs to be there, but pass there. Then we add a texture for it to get. Then we need to get the width of the texture and the height. So say tile width, tile set that get width and get height. Then we get the tile count width. So we say tile width divided by the tile size. So that gives us the width of the count across, and then the amount height. Then we add the position X and position Y. We set that outside of this loop that we're gonna create. Now we create the loop that for J in tile height, and then for I in tile width, tile count width. Okay, so now we create the tile, set it as a new sprite. We set the texture as the tile. This texture here, we set region to be enabled. We set the region rect to be the position X and position Y, and then we set the tile size for its size on X and size on Y. Then we add it as a child of the root node. Then we have to set the tile owner to self. So the tile owner just means that the editor tells it to save this file whenever it, whenever you hit the save or you're quitting, or you know what I mean. Then we set the tile position to be pretty much the same as this, but it in as a the child of there. Now we need to create a collision, so we set the tile collision to a new static body 2D. We add the child as a tile collision to the tile itself, this tile up here. Then we set the owner to be self as usual. It doesn't need to be the tile, it could be the root node. Now we need to create a collision shape for the static body. So we created the static collision shape 2D, add it as a child, set the owner to self as usual. Now we need to create a rectangle shape for the collision shape. So we create it, we add it as a shape of the collision shape, then we set its extent to be half the width and half the tile size, and then we increase the position because that's the end of creating this first tile. So it's going to create the tile again and then increase it again with the margin, and then you can go here, move down, and then we reset the position to 0 on the X and then increase the Y position, and that should be it. And what I like to do is add an X clear map just in case I want to fix something or add more. Could export a clear tiles, then clear children, pretty much freeing the all the nodes. So clear children, set something random there, and for I in children you say free. That should be it. And save. There you have it. Now we're back to where we were in the beginning. So let's just drag this tile set over here and hit generate. There you go. Let's set a margin, and you could say generate, or let's clear it first. That's why I put the clear there, so we can redo stuff. There you go, margins. That's how we do it. But this specific tile doesn't have any margins, so just start messing it up. Let's set it back to 0, clear, rerun, and could go here, save, export as that, and you're Gucci. So now for the 3D scene, let's open up our tile set, grid map tiles. All right, for here, pretty straightforward. Grid map generator. So remember, each mesh has a generate child mesh static body. So all we are gonna do is do a quick loop and then generate. So first, we create a generate tri meshes and tri mesh collisions. Create that and set it as a function. And set something random there. Clear this out. Remember to set it as a tool. Don't forget that. Then what we're doing here is get the children, loop through the children. Check if each one has the generate child mesh collision. Then set child. If the child count is equal to 0, generate child meshes. The reason I did this here is just because you don't have to spam the button and you'd constantly be generating. So it's just kind of like a check. And there it goes. It does it automatically. I hate that, but what we could do is copy this over, paste it here, say clear collisions, and say clear all collision. Then copy this over, make it a function, paste it there, so the CLE. That's just random. I'm just putting something there. Then right here, see this? If child count, just take that, copy over, delete this. Actually, get all the meshes first. For there, for RE. So we say if it's greater than 0, we're gonna do for obj, that's object in mesh dot get children object dot free. That's it. Save. Now we can hit this button, should clear everything. There you go. Can hit that one to create it back again, so you could see that all the collisions are there. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave these on my my Discord, link in the description if you want to join. Leave a like and subscribe, and take care guys.